Bring it on. Bring it on. Triple kill.
Quad kill.
Oh, but
First one to move is gay.
Yeah, I'm not letting that. That guy already moved, so I didn't need it.
Alright, first one to move is gay.
Alright, that guy.
Wow,
I feel like all y'all. Bro, I feel like all y'all moved that time, bro. I feel like all y'all definitely dead ass moved. Oh my god.
not move.
What the hell is that thing?
Triple kill.
Why is that thing growling at me?
Quad kill.
Thing is crazy.
Well, there's a thing and it's growling at me. You're what the hell? What the hell?
You're bad.
You're fatter. Their default.
Snaky.
You're white. He's genuinely a dumbass. Oh, is that mimicking Solo in the flesh?
Ask them a question.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Have I
all of you kids that won't get no bitches ever in life and will die a fucking virgin.
Where I shitted on your corpse.
All of you stupid bitches that will never succeed in life.
Oh wow.
And never get any bitches and will
Oh,
forever
Wow.
be a virgin.
Wow, buddy, wow.
I'm asking a fucking question, you stupid nigger. Hey,
Solo.
would you fuck your dad
where you
and
at?
save your mom?
I don't want to know those questions, bro. I'm scared for those.
Kill.
Triple kill.
Quad kill.
Oh, I just spent the round.
Pentakill.
How about that?
Incredible. Unbelievable.
Oh, no, I could have gotten sensational, bro. I could have gotten sensational.
Double kill.
Bro, it's
Triple kill.
Quad kill.
Oh. See, isn't everybody's. What is he talking about? Triple kill.
Quad kill. Pentakill.
dang it, bro. It's like my sword just doesn't want to register.
Sign both of my testicles.
Sign my dick.
Sign both of my testicles.
Sign both of my testicles.
Hey, minute, can you sign my Hey, minute, can you sign my
This guy's fast.
Double kill.
I haven't used the hammer, bro. I've never used it. This thing is
Sorry, bro. Hammer's
kind of good. I mean, Rain's pretty good with the hammer. I'm not gonna lie.
I know, like, if he's a throwing, you know, so I fight him in the game. Throw a gun at me and do 10% damage.
Spin him around, spin him around, spin him around. Oh, come on. How did that even hit me, bro? That went like it's on the wall. He's
Good.
oh, I think he's...
Double kill.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Triple kill.
Quad kill.
Oh, he was 10 times shorter.
Alright, who just said I was 10 times shorter?
Yo, bro, it was the golden
Triple
right there.
kill.
Quad kill. That was you, bro.
Oh my.
Wait, I can fight with Master Yoda!
I guess, bro.
New apprentice, you Double kill.
Oh,
God, bro.
Double kill.
I know.
Hi, Granny.
Who hit Grandma? Rain?
Is this good? Is that Grandma? It's Grandma. It's Grandma, guys. Why does Grandma have a katana out? I don't think that's safe, Grandma. Why does she have a broom? What the hell? Grandma's gonna beat you to death with a broom, guys. You better watch out.
I'm gonna dust your ass up to that.
That's the line of the century. You're gonna dust my ass up.
I'm gonna dust your ass up.
Bro, that's...
You want that smoke with Grandma?
Double kill.
Yes.
Triple kill.
Oh my God. Grandma got a COVID shot for you. Come here.
What?
Come here, Snakey.
Pentakill.
Bro, what is happening?
Come here, goddammit.
Incredible.
You want that smoke with Grandma, boy?
I
Unbelievable.
think he wants to smoke with that Grandma.
Amazing.
So I gotta go, bro.
Snakey!
Double kill.
Damn.
My kill.
Bro, you're like as tall as Yoda.
Come here, Grandma.
Double kill.
KGI.
Triple kill. Quad
Come here,
kill.
boy.
Oh, Grandma's gonna kick my ass, bro.
Come here.
I'm scared of Gram.
Gram got that broom out.
Gam, bro. Gam, I'm scared of Gam, guys.
Stop that shit. Stop that shit, Rain. You're grounded, Rain. You're grounded. You're grounded, Rain.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Come here, boy.
Ah, who banned Grandma over?
Currently, how much money I got?
Double kill.
I need Grandma back.
Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill.
Round 2. Fight.
Why? ¿Dónde?
Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Incredible. Unbelievable. Amazing. Sensational. Unstoppable.
Oh, so